Hello everyone, this is the Whiskey Lizard here with another vintage fan video. What we have today is a early to mid 60s Dominion 20-inch rollabout electric fan. 2 speeds, non-reversible, made of all steel. Fan's Dominion motor. This one was well taken care of, as you can see by the inside of it. There's the front, shot of the side, and the other side. Well, let's start this thing up. We'll start it up on low. It's got a slow wind up on it, which is pretty cool. And this fan is very quiet for a box fan. It's got the Venturi ring too, which is a nice added feature. I'm now to high speed. This thing throws out a tremendous amount of air. I don't find anything like this today, that's for sure. And like I say, it's quite quiet. Now to the off position. You know, if you like old fans, check out my website, fansofthepast.com. That's fansofthepast.com. We have fan pictures, videos, fans for sale. We also service vintage and antique electric fans. So check us out, fansofthepast.com. Well, that's it for now. Until next time, see you later.